What's up, everybody? Justin here to do another Impact Wrestling brown bag special. Here it is, inside this bag. So here we go. I'm excited. Hopefully I don't get any repeats of t-shirts, because I ordered 5 t-shirts again for 20 bucks. With shipping, it was like 25 bucks, 26. So here we go. This unboxing of this Impact Wrestling unboxing brown bag special. 5 t-shirts. So here we go. Here's the invoice. Doesn't say much. It says the total price. I'll show you it. There's the total price, $26.95. There it is. Of course, it's from Shop. They changed their name. Not Shop TNA anymore. It's Shop Impact. So here we go. Here's the brown bag. They have them folded up. There's another TNA brown bag. There it is. So there it is. Put that down on my bed. So the first shirt, I'm going to just pull all of them out, like I did last time, and put them on the bed because it's easier. So the first shirt is blue. If I could get the bastard out. I don't know what it is. Here's the back. There's the front. What do you know? Pretty new shirt. Very new. The new logo. Impact Wrestling. The very new logo. And hashtag Make Impact Great Again. So there it is. I'm happy with this shirt. Make Impact Great Again, even though they were using hashtag Make Impact Great. I don't think it said it again, but the shirt does. So I'm happy with this. Pretty new, very new merchandise. This t-shirt is, I don't know, like maybe a month old. Not even, because they just came up with that slogan and hashtag. So I'm happy with this. Cool shirt. Said Make Impact Great Again. Next one is black and yellow. The Rising. I believe this is a Drew Galloway shirt. The Rising. There's the front. And the back. Hashtag Stand Up. Hashtag Stand Up. Impact Wrestling, like 2 years old. That logo's like 2 years old, but who cares? Hashtag Stand Up. And then it says The Rising on the front. So I'm happy with this shirt because it's on repeat. And I'm a Drew Galloway fan. Drew McIntyre, whatever you want to call him. I'm a fan of his. Guy's a great talent. Hopefully he comes back someday to WWE. Maybe he can be part of NXT. Next shirt is gray. Gray shirt. I don't know, what is this? A Gunner. It's a Gunner shirt. Modern Day Gunner. I was a fan of Gunner. I thought the guy had a lot of talent. I think he might still be an Impact. I'm not sure. Modern Day. It says Modern Day Gunner. So the design looks like skulls, two skulls together with a G in the middle. There it is. In the back has an Impact Wrestling 2010, 2011, 2012, probably still 2013 Impact Wrestling logo. So there it is, Gunner shirt. I'm happy with this shirt. Glad it's gray in a different color, because like 90% of wrestling shirts are black. So far I got a Make Impact Great Again shirt, and I got a Gunner shirt and a Drew Galloway shirt. I believe it's Drew Galloway, because his gimmick and Impact was stand up for wrestling and stuff like that. Next shirt, I have no clue what it is. Here's the back. The back has nothing on it, but here's the front. DJZ. It's a DJZ shirt. DJZ. You can see the DJZ shirt. There it is. There's a design. His hands doing something. Some type of symbol like this, or whatever the hell he's doing in it. So DJZ. The guy's still with the company. DJZ still in Impact. Was the X Division champion for a pretty long time, until he just lost it to Trevor Lee, I believe. So I'm happy. DJZ, I'm a fan of his. The guy's great talent. Next shirt. Last shirt. Final shirt of this Brown Bag Special. The back says Troublemaker. Trouble Inc. It's an EC3 shirt. EC3. It says Trouble Inc. There it is. The side has EC3 also. The sleeve. EC3. I'm really happy with this shirt. I'm a big fan of EC3. The guy is fantastic. Great worker. Great look. Great talker. EC3 is tremendous. There's the front again. Here's the back. It's Troublemaker. So as I said, EC3, I'm a fan of the guy. I think he's great. Hell of a talent. And he should be booked as a franchise of Impact Wrestling. But no, instead they want to push Alberto Del Rio, Alberto El Patron. They want to push as the top guy and Lashley. But EC3, I think the guy will still be pushed sometime later this year. Hopefully he wins the world title again and gets put in the main event picture again. Even though he did fight El Patron last week, El Patron EC3 had a pretty damn good match on Impact. So I hope you enjoyed this Impact Wrestling Brown Bag Special. 5 t-shirts. Got a Drew Galloway shirt, EC3 shirt, DJZ shirt, Make Impact Great Again shirt, and what was the final one? I can't remember the final shirt. Or Gunner. And a Gunner shirt. So there are the shirts. Gunner, EC3, DJZ, Drew Galloway, and Make Impact Great Again shirt. I'm happy with the shirts. No repeats. So I'm very happy about that. No repeats of the last 5 shirts I ordered in the last Brown Bag Special. So thank you, Impact Wrestling. I will continue to support you and watch you and probably order from you again. I don't know when. I don't know when will be my next Brown Bag Special. Very happy with this. because I got no repeats of t-shirts. Hopefully they keep doing these specials, these brown bag specials. Hopefully Impact keeps doing them throughout the rest of the year, because that's the way you can get more fans to be drawn to your product, in my opinion. Not just older fans of TNA. You could get some new fans, some new wrestling fans, maybe from WWE or Ring of Honor. You could get some new fans, possibly, to order from Shop TNA, order these brown bag specials. I suggest that everybody, not suggest, but I encourage everybody, every wrestling fan out there, not just of WWE. If you're a wrestling fan, I encourage you to go to Shop TNA or shopimpact.com to go there and order a brown bag special. It's pretty damn exciting once you get it, and once you open it, look at what you got. It's pretty damn exciting, and it's a great deal. Very good deal. 5 t-shirts, $26. That's only $4 a t-shirt, folks. So very good deal. Maybe I'll order another one, another special, maybe possibly with DVDs next time. I don't know if I'm going to. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Impact Wrestling Brown Bag Special 5 t-shirts. Follow me on Twitter at WWE NXT Guy. Also, subscribe, like, comment, share. If you got a brown bag special, 5 t-shirts, comment under this video. Tell me what shirts you got. Or tweet me on Twitter and tell me the stuff you got. I would like to hear it. Or I would like to hear about the 5 t-shirts you got, because that's what I ordered. So, hope you enjoyed this video, everybody. I enjoy making it. I enjoy doing it. Unboxing videos are very fun. Very fun to do. So, subscribe, like, comment, share. And bye for now, everybody.